Shawty fast, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl GRWM, and today we are back with another video. So today's main focus is this beautiful palette from Morphe, the Bronze Gold palette, and we're going to be focusing on using that Wet n Wild foundation stick. These are two new items that I have in my collection that I want to test out. I got the Bronze Gold palette for my birthday, and I just picked up the Wet n Wild foundation stick. So honestly, for today's look, I didn't really have a plan. I actually wanted to do a full get ready with me with my outfit included, but I just couldn't do the outfit part. But this look, I just wanted to play in the palette. So far the palette is okay. Some colors I had a hard time picking up and like really getting colors, you know, pigmentation from the colors, but otherwise the palette is pretty okay. I think it's a good palette for the summer, especially if you're not into all those crazy colorful looks. This is the perfect palette for you. Perfect everyday palettes. Few pretty shimmer shades to go with any color that you want to rock over the summer. And the mattes did pretty well. As you guys can see, I'm placing all of them in my crease or whatever colors. For the exact shades, I will place the names down below in the description box because I actually don't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, the matte shades didn't give me any problems. I think it was more so the shimmers. So I went off camera to cut my crease. There was no need for me to cut my crease on camera. You guys have seen me do it 1,000 times. So here's where the difficulty starts to come in with the shimmer shades. So it was very hard to like get pigmentation from one shimmer shade, so I had to mix a few to get the exact colors that I wanted to put on my eyes. So I do like a light gold into a bronze into a corally orange type of ombre on my cut crease, just because that is what matched the pants that I had on that I was going to do for the outfit portion. But like I said, the outfit portion didn't work out, and as you guys can see, that gold, it takes a lot for me to build it up so you can actually see what the actual color looks like, and that's just how all the colors end up being. So the shimmer shades were kind of funny for me, but overall I still like the palette. So I went off camera and finished like working on my eyes a bit because like I said, those pigments weren't picking up enough for me. So I continued to work on those. And as you guys know, I never do my foundation on camera unless I really want you guys to see like a new foundation product I'm testing out. So this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. I got the shade Golden Honey. I have the actual liquid one, but I hate the liquid foundation. I don't know how people like it. I don't know what. It's just something about it I don't like. Like, I'm really picky when it comes to foundations. I need a full coverage because, as you guys know, I have acne and acne scarring, and I need that to be covered. Even in this video, you guys can see I color corrected over all the spots because that day I was having like a big breakout. And so when I say this might be one of my new faves, it definitely might be a new fave for me. I love this foundation stick. It completely covered everything, and it's just completely full coverage. And I didn't even use a lot, really. I didn't have to go over that many times the places that had the acne showing and things like that. And it's just a really good foundation stick, and for $6.49 I think it's completely worth it. So we're back. The full face is done. So I'm just going to go in and start prepping my lashes for Faux lashes. So I'm using the Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals mascara. I got this in compliments from Influencer, and I really love this mascara. I wonder if they have a bigger one, because if so, I need to buy it because it really does what it needs to do for my lashes, because I have really short eyelashes. You couldn't even tell that I have eyelashes. So this is just usually my usual lash combo. If I don't do this combo, then I'm using the Too Faced Better for Sex by itself. Better than sex, not better for sex, haha. This is also the Revlon Volumazing, and then I'm going to take the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal and do that again, and then I'll go over it again with the Pretty Vulgars before I put the actual eyelashes on. So I decided to tap this liquid glitter at the end so that that orange could really stand out. This is from Nicka K. I forget the exact shade of this, but I got these from the beauty supply store last summer. They're just like the Stila liquid glitters, magnificent glitter and glows, and I feel like that helps bring out that orange way more that was in my eye. So at the end of the last clip, I was showing you guys what lashes I was putting on, but the lashes that I end up putting on, I end up changing. So I want to briefly talk about the company that I'm applying their lipstick to now, as well as their eyelashes. The company is by La Rachante, is La Rachante Cosmetics, and getting this package was such a hassle. Oh my god, we both went through it on both our ends trying to get in contact with the post office, but I'm so happy I got it. The lashes that I have on are the cream puff candy bag lashes in honey. When I say these lashes are perfect, like they're perfect. Like, do you guys see that? Like, they're not 25mm lashes, I don't think. They could be, but they're perfect, like to the point where like you can still see my eye look. The lipstick that I put on is the candy paint lipstick, and what's the name? Cage Act. I also have another one that I'll be showcasing really soon. I don't want to talk too much details about it because I don't want to give you guys too much away. But yeah, definitely shop La Rachante Cosmetics. She is dropping her Funhouse palette this Friday. I know I'm going to get one, so y'all definitely need to get y'all one. For my highlighters today, I'm using Champagne Pop Matte Gold Deposit, and I'm going to top it off with my Snatched Highlighter Goddess Highlight Tapper. They also just released some new spring pigments. I definitely got to pick those up as well. But yeah, I just wanted to briefly talk about it, and I really love those lashes and that lipstick. I just feel like they perfectly just pulled this look all together. And next we're just gonna talk about like my hair, and that's it really for this video. So we're just jumping right into the hair, nothing too fancy. That's why I sped this clip up extremely fast. This wig is from Alley Pearl Hair. It is a deep wave unit. I believe this hair when I first got it was 24 inches, but it took, okay, so here's the problem. So it took the color very well, but because it was a lot of bleaching and toning and etc., the hair sheds extremely a lot. So I don't even think it's 24 inches anymore. I call this wig like my professional kind of wig because I had to wear it for like a professional event, wherever the case may be. So I'm just going over with a flat iron, and then I end up flipping like 2 or 3 pieces backwards. Right now I have it in a curly. I think I'm going to end up curling it because I feel like this hair only looks better when it's curled, but the hair has shed so much. It's definitely not the same length that it was. You guys have seen this wig at least 2 times already, so it's nothing special. That's another reason why I just didn't make a big deal about it. But yeah, that's it for this video, and stay tuned for the slow-mo clip.
You never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. You ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real, I ain't worried about that. I be acting up right before he come to see me. He be like, why you always tripping for no reason? Told him cause you put it on me better when you're mad. Hand around my neck, hit it hard from the back. Yeah. I'ma cook a meal for him and play the game with him. When somebody asks, yeah, I'm with the same nigga. Pussy keep him knocked out like a painkiller. And if a nigga bag me, you know he a winner. Ain't never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the other girls that you had. If I catch you looking at my baby, I'ma laugh. You gon' keep it real.